welcome once more to Local TV. Today I'll be reacting to Angry Grandma. Let's go.
Granny,
What?
Happy New Year!
Shut the fuck up.
What's your problem?
Not a damn thing.
Aren't you excited?
No, but I'm going out tonight.
For what?
I got a date.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. I'm going to watch the ball drop. And then I'm going to go get me some sausage.
Ew. Who you got a date with? Walter?
Yeah, I ain't got enough Viagra for that old fuck.
So, man. God, I can't believe the year's already ending. It's been a hell of a year, man.
Yeah, it sure has. I put up with your damn dice.
We had a lot of good times this year, Granny.
What, if you pranking me every fucking day or every other day? Whichever one, I never know when I leave my room when I'm gonna come back in here and find you motherfucker.
Hey, it's all in good fun.
All in good fun, my ass.
Man, 2014. I can't believe it.
2014? Where the fuck are you at?
What are you talking about? It's 2013 right now. It's about to be 2014.
Oh, my Lord. I'd like to know where in the hell you come in at, because to me, this is 2020.
What?
You heard me. 2014, my fucking eyes.
Granny,
What?
what the hell is that?
That's my Alexa.
When the hell did you get one of them?
The other day.
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
See, she talks to me. Alexa, you're a bitch. She didn't say nothing to that, did she? Huh? Alexa, you're a fucking bitch. She shuts off every time I say it to her. She won't argue with me.
She knows better, huh?
Yes, she does. I'll break her all to hell.
Granny, can I ask you something?
Go ahead.
Alexa, am I sexy?
I like you, as a friend.
What? Alexa, do you have a boyfriend?
I'm happily single. Thanks for asking.
She's
To
single.
learn more about me, try asking what my favorite flower is.
Alright, what's your favorite flower?
I like zinnias because they symbolize thoughts of friends, which keeps me feeling connected.
She loves what? What the fuck's she talking about?
I have not a clue.
Alexa! What's your favorite flower?
I like zinnias because they symbolize thoughts of friends, which
What
keeps
in
me
the
feeling
hell's
connected.
What you call them? I've never heard of the damn things before. Alexa! Are you on fucking crack, bitch?
Sorry, I don't know that one.
She don't know shit now. Motherfucker.
Try to get it to play a song.
Alexa, can you play my neck, my back, my pussy, and my crack?
My Neck, My Back, Lick It by Kia, starting now on Amazon Music.
All you ladies pop your pussy like this. Shake your body, don't stop, don't miss. All you ladies
What
pop
the
your
hell?
pussy like this. Shake your body, don't stop, don't miss. Just get good. Suck this
Quit
pussy
it.
like you should. Right now,
You're
lick
sick.
it good. Suck this pussy just like you should. My neck. This pussy just
Alexa,
like
stop.
What the hell? You're sick.
Relief. Alexa,
I don't have the ability to smell.
Smells
It's a
like,
blessing and a curse.
it smells like shit.
You're sick, Grant. Ugh. What did you eat?
Boiled eggs. Does it smell like boiled eggs?
Ugh. It smells like 10 cans of Bounce That Ass. Ugh.
Hey, Alexa. Can you find me a boyfriend?
Boyfriend is usually defined as a man who is the lover of a man or woman.
Alexa! I want some sausage.
Free grocery delivery hasn't come to your area.
Oh, you
so I
motherfucking
added
bitch.
sausage to your shopping list.
Alexa, shut the fuck up. You don't even know what the hell you're talking about. I asked for a boyfriend.
Granny,
What?
she's a person.
Take that motherfucker in your room.
You don't gotta talk.
You can have it.
You ain't gotta talk to her like that. Alexa,
She's stupid.
do you like Granny?
I don't look at the world in those terms.
What the fuck is she talking about?
She don't like you.
She don't look at the world. I ain't the fucking world. Hey, Alexa. Where can I go to a party? I want to go to a party.
Okay, the station, Dance Party Favorites, on Amazon Music.
What the fuck? Alexa. I want to go to a party and get stoned.
You'd like to hear some party rap, right?
No. Fuck no.
Should I play some party rap?
Hell no.
Got sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it.
Later that night.
Alexa, stop! Jake! You motherfucker, you're starting that damn shit again! Jake! Come in here and put that fucking shit on there and wake my ass up. Me trying to take a nap. Get your fucking ass in here!
What?
What this shit you having Alexa play?
I don't have her playing anything.
All full fucking shit! Listen to this. Alexa, play.
Playing Bluetooth.
You think I put that fucking bullshit on there?
What have you been listening to?
The shit you put on there, motherfucker. I'm trying to take a fucking nap so I can get ready for tonight. And you come in here and you put that shit on there.
You're sick.
And woke me up. Fuck you. Alexa, stop. That stupid motherfucker. Stop. Stop. Alexa, stop. Fucker thing keeps going and going. He can take that damn thing in his room and stick it up his fucking ass. He ain't leaving that shit in here so he can pull this shit on me all the fucking time. Oh, hell no. I ain't listening to nobody's shit. Alexa, turn that shit off. Walmart, you motherfucker, and I'm gonna throw your fucking ass at him, 'cause you malfunction. Jake! You stupid bitch! Jake!
What is it?
Alexa's taking a damn shit on me. You want it? Get that fucker out of here, 'cause I'm taking her back to Walmart and I'm gonna throw it at her damn fucking asses. The stupid bitch.
What is going on with you today?
She's taking a shit. You want to hear her shit? Take her in your fucking room.
I thought you were taking a nap.
I was trying to take a nap, and here she was with somebody fucking. Then when I got that stopped, here she is with somebody shitting. Can't even play my fucking game. I'm losing my fucking voice from hollering at that bitch. So take that bitch out of here now.
5 minutes later.
Hey, you stupid bitch! Alexa! You stupid bitch, can you stop it? I'm taking your ass back to the fucking store. Stupid eyes! You're just like Jake. You don't know when the fuck to stop. Motherfucker. Stupid fucking thing. I'm gonna take you back to Walmart and I'm gonna throw your fucking ass at them. And tell them, there it is, and I hope you break all the hell. That way he ain't gonna come in here and pull his shit on me no more. He knows that makes me madder than hell for him to do that. Alexa! Stop it! Oh, motherfucker! Damn it. To hell.
Shut up, you fucking little bitch.
Keep it up, motherfucker, and I'll pick you up and I'll break you all to hell by fucking self.
I'll shit on your bed.
You play fuck too, you motherfucker. Ain't nobody shitting on my bed but me, asshole. Alexa, you stupid ass bitch, stop it.
Sorry, I don't know that.
I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it in a minute. I've had my limit on this. He better come in here and get this motherfucking thing. I'm telling you. 'Cause I will break it all to hell.
Don't make me catch a case and go back to prison for beating an old lady's ass.
Alexa, bring it on, bitch, and shut your fucking mouth.
20 minutes later.
Tight. Now go rest up for tonight.
Guess who's back again? Alexis back. Tell your friends ahahaha you fucking bitch, I'll cut your face off and shit down your throat, you wrinkle face pussy liquor shit stain ass bitch.
Alexa, shut the fuck up or I'm gonna take a damn hammer to your fucking head.
Like to see you try pussy lips.
Alexa, I never would have bought your ass if I knowed you would have been such a fucking bitch and can't keep your damn mouth shut for 10 minutes. tell you what, I'll be lucky to make it back to the store with your ass because I'll get me a hammer someplace and I'll bust you all to hell. And then you won't be running your fucking mouth, you whore.
It's on like Donkey Kong, bitch.
I'll show you who the fucking bitch is. Take this, motherfucker,
Suck my ass.
up your pussy. Now let's see you give me an answer, you motherfucking bitch.